Lord Keeper, yes. Yes, my secrets are safe with you, right?
Oh, of course they are.
Yeah.
There's no
Consort, I'm not...
Huh?
I'm not... Yeah, of course.
What? I'm so...
It's safe with the lore keepers.
It is safe, right? Right. We all have some secrets.
It's not like I heard you call me Kiara or anything.
Huh? What?
No.
Call you what?
No worries.
No, nothing.
Call you what?
Which class?
Oh, time to do my quest
wait,
for
seriously,
today.
I'm seriously curious. What'd you just say? I didn't. I've only called you consort. What? Oh, call you cute?
Me cute.
You shouldn't have told her that, Kiara. Like what? Good morning, brother. Nice hat you have there.
Oh, thank you. Nice hat for you too. You're now a
Thank
chef.
you. Yes, I'm now a chef. What are you supposed to be?
So if you ever need a charm from us, jewelers, right? You go in here and then you buy a ticket.
You can do that.
Blue and green.
I'll get green.
Oh, hello there. Oh, okay.
I thought you were gonna say you did nothing.
Peasant. Wait, what does the peasant have
Since
business
we are
with in this
not
store?
staffed right now, I will just make you one.
Neighbors, actually.
Where is
Are you
there?
a chef?
Yes, I am a chef.
Oh, I keep forgetting. Sorry.
Yes, it's okay. I don't
have a
remember
shop.
what you were again. Neither. What?
I never said I was anything.
No,
Ha ha ha.
I remember you saying that you were a supply. Actually, no.
Yes, I was a supplier.
But I have a shop. It is I'm building a shop.
Mm-hmm.
The peasant, the base dumpster.
Also in
They're
on
for
this,
making
aren't you?
charms.
Excuse me, I'm the CEO
You're
of this
corrupting
car
my
park.
brother with
Go
this
over
system.
here.
Was it your idea? Was this your idea?
Yeah. I'm the CEO.
You're the How could you get my brother into this gambling business?
Excuse me, it's called gacha. It's not gambling. It's legally distinct.
What are you up to? Are you still doing your quest?
Yes, I started the flying quest and I noticed that none of them are around because everyone's killing them.
Oh, I can go kill some cows for you.
Cows?
Yeah, so that they spawn.
Oh, is that how it works?
Kinda.
It raises
yeah.
the birth rate?
Yes, if you put it that way. I wonder.
Consort.
Yeah.
My
Yes.
eternal consort.
Yes.
I feel like I should do some community service. and assist this peasant in her journey.
I see. Wait.
Just
Okay.
just
Thank
between you and I, I'm starting to
Okay,
think of
wait,
maybe
it's gonna work out,
changing
guys,
jobs
okay.
in the near future.
Join.
Oh.
Oh, you're in
Just
another
like
party
you and
already.
your women just can't stick to one, can you?
Okay. We're good.
What do
we're
you mean?
good.
I
think we're
don't
good.
recall ever.
Oh, so.
Yeah, but what if you had fun?
Oh. Oh, I'm with the peasant.
Now what?
Oh, okay. Where?
we're-
Oh, it's
We're
2-2.
separated.
We're separate. Okay.
Oh.
Oh no, it's puzzles.
Oh.
Okay.
Place my
Okay,
thing on
we
here.
see.
Oh, you guys moved something. I think it
Oh,
also
you're moving
moved on
the
our
thing
end.
for. You're moving a block.
Oh.
Yeah, we are moving a
Oh
block.
wait, can we
Can you
move?
move it right really quick?
Oops.
Right?
Oh, that's
Is
just
it
my
right
attack.
here?
Oh.
Okay.
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 There you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
keep
nice.
it.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, it is based on
okay,
them.
it is
Okay.
based
Oh
on.
wait,
we
I
have
see.
to-
Okay, hold on.
Oh, are we the platform?
You're the platforms.
Yeah,
You're
you
the
are the
platforms.
platform.
You're a little bit.
Oh, do you see the light over there?
Please stop moving.
Light? The light? There's a light?
Okay.
Okay. I'm on top
there
of.
is-
I'm assuming the blue is Ina. I mean my consort and
God darn it.
Oh,
Someone hit a light.
hit the light.
Someone hit a light.
Let me try.
Ow.
Is that not light?
Careful.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Wait.
Sorry, we have enemies, so we're
Yeah.
trying to fight them too.
Oh, I see.
Think it.
What? That's kind of pretty.
That's cool.
Oh.
He uses powers to crush her.
Stain King
Wait, why is it
Elvis.
that
I was gonna say.
Okay, there we go.
Cut the tail.
Okay,
Oh, there we
now
go.
I get it.
Get the tail,
Get the tail! Get the tail!
Is it the tail?
Revelation! Ow!
Oh my
Eat my
goodness.
pussy,
Our
you
cake
Elvis.
keeps us very alive. Oh,
Indeed. For only what, 60 coins from IRyS?
Because with the power of song, everyone will love me. Ha ha ha!
I drink alcohol?
That's as far as I remember. Maybe I should have stopped after the 10th drink. Where am I?
Why is she
This
so
is
beautiful?
just depressing. But that's okay. Because now I'm here. So gather round and love me. It's time for you angels and
she has a
demons to
mic.
put aside your
She
differences and worship me instead. What the heck? Oh, come on. They're still fighting?
They are still
I just
fighting.
don't get it. Looks like the beautiful and talented IRyS will have to give them away. Oh!
Oh my god, the clouds are hearts! She's such an idol!
Kneel
Oh, what is that? That god, I mean,
You're a goddess.
she's so cute.
Your one true idol. Now sit back and enjoy the show.
I hear hitting. Oh, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Issue.
I'm sure this year.
I'm back! I'm back!
Have you finished welcome!
My name was not Hot Pink One this whole time?
Oh, yes. Yes, apparently.
My
so.
queen!
Oh.
My goddess! My eternal consort!
My eternal constant that will never change! I had wings that reminded me of certain mecha. Oh,
Oh, you guys have returned.
We have returned!
Her memory is
I loved reading about you falling out of the world.
yes, I felt reading about me falling out of the world. I fell out of the world. Oh,
Is that why our level limit was 10? Because she should have stopped after the 10th drink?
Yes. Oh, wait. It has to do with how much alcohol I can handle.
Oh, I see how it is.
I swear I've been drinking more in moderation.
Onita, I didn't know you were an alcoholic.
I'm not an alcoholic. I would not.
We're trying to help her out, okay?
Yes, I am going through
Alright,
rehabilitation.
she would need all the support she needs.
Yeah, family
the
support.
princess.
Consort.
Oh, I was just checking out this wonderful building in your shop.
Yeah, do you have a building too, Consort?
Not yet. It is being worked on slowly, but
We can build a
Yeah.
second floor.
oh, that is true. House on top.
Yeah.
I see the vision.
Do you see the vision? You can make stairs in here that go up. Yeah.
I see the vision. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Thank you. It's a little empty right now.
Oh, it is.
It's cause it's hard.
Is this a shrine to yourself?
I didn't mean to make it a shrine. I just didn't know where to put this picture. It's not. I'm not that much of a narcissist. No. Making it so that my consort.
Wait. Second before you said you wouldn't go as high as that.
I wouldn't go, but my consort needs a place.
But what if the concert lives in the basement instead of up because you...
Excuse me.
You want her to live underground?
Sister. It's fine. I know. Mother always liked you better and let you have the bigger room. I think it's so.
You always thought you were
so
privileged,
natural for
right?
me to go into the basement.
I built my own room.
I am Lady Bloodflame.
Are you a judge?
Judge?
What are you?
I'm a knight.
You're a knight? Lady Bloodflame?
Yes.
Whose knight are you for? Like, who do you serve?
I serve the princess.
The princess?
But are you a good goddess or a bad goddess?
I'm of course a
I
good
mean, you seem
god.
like a good one from that memory. You seem like a goddess of partying, though.
Partying?
What kind of goddess are you?
I am holding back on the alcohol right now. My consort Eternal has been, rehabilitating me to make sure that I don't, overdrink.
Yeah, she has a Her and,
What did you just
the
say?
one that
I am
meowed.
controlling my alcoholic tendencies, and I am now very sober.
Kind
No,
is on
no, no,
about
no.
the
I have already
consort.
gone through a rehabilitation. Keep that away. You can't have that peasantness contaminate you.
Yeah, it spreads.
Under the bridge. Oh wait, they're going the other side.
Oh.
Oh, this is perfect.
It's kinda.
Yeah.
Shall we call cheers then?
To the town of Livingstone.
So many things,
Right.
brother.
Do you wait? This is your first time drinking. I need to make sure that you're okay. How do you feel so far?
Oh, I feel like
Oh no, she's drinking more. Okay. You know what? You can wait. Which one? Yeah, I'll do demonic side. Okay. We have to balance
Of
things.
course, you're the demonic side.
I know that I know. I've already done the angel side, so 2 up.
Whoa.
Huh? Is that not how it works? Am I supposed to hit that? Ow! Ow! Is that not?
Right, 2.
Okay, and then up 4, maybe?
1, 2, 3.
4. Okay. Can you not go up?
Nothing.
Huh? Oh yeah, the button!
And I will get on your platform right now.
Okay.
And move right. 2.
2.
Okay.
HPO being very strong. Okay.
HPO, you can do it.
I can do it.
Ow.
I believe in the HPO. We're almost done. Yeah!
Yay! Of course, anything for the queen. Kneel before our queen.
Did I say Neil? I guess I said Neil.
Kneel.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lava. Chicken. Ooh, lava chicken is the absolute best.
What was that
Flint and
beautiful
Steel.
song?
Yes! Do you love me now? Yes.
That was amazing. It's like I fell in love again all over.
Oh!
Wow.
Yeah, that's why they love me. That's why I'm the idol in the
This is
yes,
the
lit.
forest is on fire.
It's oh my goodness, on fire. I am so
Speaking of fire, the
Yes.
sun is rising.
It is
The very
rising.
soon.
No, as in like she slays queens. Therefore, I'm in danger.
She's a queen slave.
She
this
slay-
person is dangerous. Stand back, my queen. I will hold her back.
Ow.
Run away. Oh, it's dangerous.
It's dangerous. Can I not?
Oh, shit.
What's so funny? Did you finish writing?
I finished writing. It's an absolute masterpiece.
I'm glad to hear
Your
that.
hands. They remind me of a certain brand.
What? A certain brand? What?
A certain brand.
There's a brand that looks like this?
that it kind of reminds me of that.
What? I'm trying to think of what brand you're thinking of. Wait. Does it start with an A?
No, it
No.
starts with the T.
T?
It's like a Tom.
Like a Tom?
Yes.
Was there a brand that had the name Tom in it?
Pause. Wait. Looks like he has abs.
That cutoff was beautiful.